Me, Chanel with Chanel's channel. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and welcome if you are a new viewer. What I wanted to go over with you today is a very short video. I wanted to share with you what I do to protect the Vachetta on all my Louis Vuittons. I just received this beautiful bag, and if you haven't seen the video on that, how excited I was to receive it, not realizing I look like a crazy person. You should click on that video and watch it. It's a very short film. In any case, I am going to be using saddle soap, and there's several. I got it from Amazon. I am a former employee of Louis Vuitton. It's not something they're going to recommend because, well, we want you to come back and spend your money. But I can honestly say that because a lot of people have used this. There's other YouTubers that have actually used it as well. And this is the clear kind. It will look like this. There's another one that's like a yellowish in the background. You don't want that. I mean, it doesn't damage anything. It's just, it's better to get the clear one. I've used it already on all my other ones. It was about $7, $8 for this size. Let's see, 3.5 ounces, and it's going to go a long ways. What you want to do is get some baby wipes that are without any fragrance or any coloring, nothing. I mean, what you would use on a baby's bottom, right? So then you would fold it. I've already got mine folded. I got a few pieces, but whatever. It's obviously a little wet, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to, and I apologize, this is probably going to be janky as far as watching it because I'm using one hand. I can't let you see how crazy I look because, folks, I'm a mess. But I'm so excited. I wanted to film this for you, and I wanted to go ahead and apply this saddle soap to the Vachetta right away because I do want to take it and use it, even though there's really not much going on with the coronavirus and all. But in any case, so then you kind of, get it a few times. You stroke it a few times. And what you do, oh gosh, let me see. How can I do this without it just not, I don't know. Maybe I should hold it like this. I hope you can see it like that. I don't know, guys. I've got it under my arm. And you're going to go over it like this. Okay? Look at all that dirt, guys. Look at all that dirt. Now, this is a pre-loved bag I just received from Fashion File. Word up to Fashion File. Shout out. Love you guys. This is a Louis Vuitton Trevilli GM. And it's, I've been pronouncing it incorrectly in the other video that I just made when I received it. Because I was so crazy excited that I didn't realize it's pronounced Trevilli. So anyways, it looks a little dark right now. I know you see that. And that's quite all right. When it dries, it's going to be just fine, folks. But you just want to kind of gently, don't go too hard, but don't go too soft. You kind of just want to gently go over everything really good. And when it dries, it'll be protected and it'll be cleaned. Okay? So this is for the Vachetta, the saddle soap. You're going to use the same thing, a different one, a clean one of the baby cloth, baby wipes. On the canvas, you just go around in a circular motion, not too hard, and that will clean your bag. But because it was pre-loved, I didn't know how many people owned this bag prior to me gaining it. It's in great condition. See the other video. This is a short video. Love you guys. Just wanted to share with you. Saddle soap. Shout out to Saddle Soap. I'm not being sponsored. I don't want you to think anything like that, but I'm a former employee of Louis Vuitton, and I'm telling you guys, protect your Vachetta. Otherwise, you'll be limited to wearing it and enjoying your bag. Love you. Peace.